In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom registration and login forms in WordPress quickly and easily in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating a website from scratch or enhancing an existing one, custom forms can make a big difference in the user experience. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, head over to wordpress.com. This platform is the foundation for everything we're going to do today. So it's important to start here. Once you've reached wordpress.com, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will take you to the login interface. Now, if you prefer a faster login method, you can click on Continue with Google. This feature helps you streamline your login process using your Google credentials, which is quite handy if you're someone who manages multiple accounts and likes to keep things simple. When you click this option, a prompt will appear allowing you to choose your Google account. If you have several accounts, make sure to select the one you use for your WordPress activities to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll see the WordPress dashboard. On the right panel, you'll find a section called Quick Links. Look there and you'll see the Edit Site option. Click on it. This will direct you to your website's editing interface where we'll add our custom forms. To insert a new form, you'll need to click on the plus icon. This icon symbolizes adding a new block to your site. WordPress operates on a block-based system which allows for easy customization and layout adjustments. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear. Type in the word registration, as it's going to help us locate the appropriate block for the registration form. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on registration form. This is where the magic happens. The registration form block allows you to customize fields according to your specific needs, whether it's capturing names, emails, or any other information you deem necessary for user registration. Remember, once you've done this for the registration form, you want to repeat the process for the login form too. Just follow the same steps, click the plus icon to add another block, search and select login form, then customize it as you see fit. This ensures that your site visitors can both register and log into your website seamlessly. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created custom registration and login forms for your WordPress site. This setup not only enhances the functionality of your site, but also improves user engagement by making their login experience simpler and more intuitive. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building.